Hello, welcome back. Last time we had seen the human mind and how it is filled with a lot of unwanted stuff and how it reflects in our life. Today we are going to do another experiment. In this experiment, here is an empty glass and here I am pouring a colored liquid in it, which is a representative of dirty liquid, which actually shows you that this is the human mind with the dirty nonsense that we have acquired. Now I am going to do something else. What I am doing is pouring clean water in this glass. The dirty water gets diluted. It is also overflowing. I continue pouring clean water in this dirty water, and slowly the color starts changing. The dirty water is now becoming lighter as it is getting thrown out. I continue pouring the clean water and the dirty water is slowly being replaced by clean water. If I continue doing this exercise, what will happen? Eventually, you will get this glass filled with clean water. Remember, you are doing meditation for maximum 30 minutes or 60 minutes. In a day of 24 hours, you would probably be sleeping for 6 hours. So 18 wakeful hours, of which you subtract 1 hour for meditation, so remaining 17 hours you are exposed to this same society. The same society will be pouring in dirt of negativity in your mind. This process is relentless. The society will not change its ways because you are learning a new course. So your mind will again be sullied, dirtied. You have only one way of cleaning your mind, and that is meditation, chanting the affirmations regularly. So keep doing it relentlessly. So you will be constantly dirtying your mind in the society and purifying your mind through meditation. A day will come when you will realize that this is the culprit. It is the society that is giving you a lot of negativity which is hurting you in life. And you will say, stop, no more of this. But you will continue with your meditation, and eventually you will have a purified mind. So don't treat this course, the notes in this course, as something to be kept in the cupboard. This is active life. Bring it out in your day-to-day routine. Open the bottle, that means open the book. Read the affirmations, memorize the affirmations, practice the affirmations, and then your mind will be purified. That's the only way to purify the mind. There is no other shortcut. So I hope you take this lesson seriously and you practice diligently. Thank you for watching. Namaste.